there we are. It's a wonderful journey, and it's 12 days of great fun. The train is departing today from Capital Park Station, and this is our own station. We have a 60-acre property here. We have 420 staff members, and we are running 6 trains at the moment and still building. So we're expanding the property and the possibilities. Here we do the rebuilding of the carriages, we do the maintenance of the locomotives, and we've got 14 of our own diesel locomotives with, you saw at the moment, we've got 2 steam locomotives that we're operating. So we have quite a collection of rolling stock here for anybody who's interested in a toy train set.